Hey everybody, my name is Ready Red, and I'm very excited to bring a product to light that maybe a lot of people don't know about, but I used this product when I was about 19 years old. I worked at an Amoco station. Alright, so I'm getting my Tech tire repair kit out of the shipping container box, and it's a really nice box. 215 PK. Includes 50 repairs. Permacure Premium Tire Repair Kit. Deluxe blow molded case. This is a blow molded case. Plenty of colorful, well-written instructions. And you could YouTube it. And you got your QR code right there. So, let's start off with this pistol grip. This pistol grip is absolutely amazing. It is very conforming to your hand, and you can force it in. Also included is an Allen key in case you need to change out your needle or tip, because there's another one included. Excellent ringing tool. 770 fast drive, flow sealing vulcanizing fluid. You know what we need is to stop the flow of air and seal it with some vulcanizing fluid. Now, here's the meat and potatoes of the whole thing. This is your plugs. You will take a plug and peel it back like a banana.
Banana.
Banana, say it. So you peel it halfway back. There is something that I really wanted to show you that's special about these specific plugs. If you can take a look at that end is two different kinds of rubber that have been bonded together. The external one is the one that mates with the rubber of your tire. The internal is a more solid core. And you will load it halfway in. Then, after reaming your leak, you would add your vulcanizing fluid, and you insert it into the puncture, twist it back and forth, and twist it out. Please stay tuned. Be right back with a tire repair tomorrow. Today we're going to be using the puncture repair kit from Tech Tire. Tech Tire Repair Kit 220-224 Permacure Repair Kit. I'm very excited to use this. I haven't used one of these in at least 20 years, and it is absolutely the best kit, best tire repair kit I've ever used. No more hanging yourself with a little bit of tar or gum on a rope. I mean, this is, what is this, Twizzlers? Want some?
Yes, please.
Anyhow, so we are going to step by step do a tire repair kit. And let me tell you also that this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a professional. What we're going to start off with today is you want to check for leaks using some soapy water. And, well, really don't need to check where this leak is coming from today. But we will be checking for a leak after the repair has been performed. So, as for right now, the second thing you want to do is check the tire for separations, severe cracks before performing the repair. Because if the tire's just junk, you really don't want to put a repair in it, which could, you know, increase the damage to a really junky tire. So, along with our story here, we're going to inflate the tire to 10 psi. We got our handy dandy gauge. Brand new air tuck here. So, let's give it a little bit of air. And you want to do this so that the sidewall is stiffened up, so it doesn't flex on you a bunch. And, by the way, I don't think Tech would actually recommend where we are going to put this repair. Tech Tire Repairs would prefer that you do the repair within the crown on a vehicle that doesn't see highway use. And you can really hear that, baby. No need to check for where that leak's coming from. Second thing we do is put some vulcanizing fluid on the tip here on our reaming tool.
Oh, it
Insert
smells.
it in the same angle as the tool came out. Turn it to the right, and right now it's holding air. Fantastic.
Yay.
Into the insertion tool. Peel your blue poly back. Go ahead and insert that. Don't touch it as much as you can. Hopefully this part of the repair sticks out and we trim it off. First, you have to apply your vulcanizing sealing flow fluid. Easy for you to say. Ream off your hole and turn to the right while removing. Good. Give it a little wiggle and out. So I'm going to wait a couple seconds here, and we're then going to inflate the tire to the proper PSI. So we're going to inflate our tire. Hopefully it's nice and vulcanized. We're going to inflate our tire. We're just going to give it 35 pounds or so. Wait, there's more. Oh wait, there's more.
Oh, great.
Remember, like I said, you should check for leaks. Just great. And trim. Look how it looks like a nice drywall screw. Oh. Safety glasses. And you can always use another set of pliers as for leverage. Where are we? Must be here. Now we're in there like swimwear. Okay. Boom. This is going to be another great repair from Tech Tires. Hey, look at our new. Hey, we can reuse this, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we have our approved repair and our unapproved repair, but we're going to once again try to fill up this tire with some air. All right, we're going to top off the air pressure. Wow, that's like 47 pounds. We're going to test and make sure we're not leaking here on our approved patch and our unapproved repair. Now, Tech also makes a patch plug that has to be done from the inside of the tire, which means you either need a tire machine or a tire shop. But we're good to go. We're going to trim this off and test it again. Why not? No bubbles, no bubbles, no troubles. This is Ready Red Does. Please give us a like and a subscribe if you'd like to see more content like that. Also, remember, I'm not an expert. I'm just here having fun, doing some edumacating. Have a great day, y'all.